It is time for quick Om chanting. Take a comfortable position. Keep your backbone straight. Brahmanand. Santi, Santi, Santi. Swastha.
Hello students, in the previous session we discussed the phylum Arthropoda. We discussed the various characteristic features of the animals of phylum Arthropoda. It is the largest phylum and consisting of the largest class Insecta. The Arthropoda is named so because of the jointed appendages. These animals are having the jointed appendages, that are the walking legs, jointed walking legs. Even they are having the special organs for swimming. They have the various type of respiratory organs like the gills for aquatic, book lungs, the trachea, even the larval forms, they respire through the body surface. Let us discuss a few questions. Name the largest phylum of kingdom Animalia. Yes, it is. The largest phylum is Arthropoda. Body fluid of arthropods is known as hemolymph. The fluid filled coelom of arthropod is known as, because the coelom is filled with the blood, so it is known as hemocoel. The body cavity, the coelom is filled with hemolymph, so it is called hemocoel. Gills, trachea and days are the respiratory organs of the arthropods. Gills, trachea and book lungs. The largest class of phylum Arthropoda is Insecta. It is Insecta. The structures help the aquatic arthropods in swimming are pleopods. Write down these question answers. In this session, we are going to discuss the phylum Mollusca. The Mollusca term is derived from a Latin word mollis, or mollus means soft. Mollusca means soft body animals. What is Mollusca? It is derived from Mollusca word, term derived from Latin word mollis or mollus, means soft. So, soft body animals. Now, animals with soft body, animals with soft body are known as mollusca. Mollusks, animals, mollusca is the phylum. Mostly these are aquatic and few are terrestrial. Mostly aquatic, and here when these are aquatic means mainly marine. Mainly marine, and a few are freshwater, living in freshwater, mostly aquatic, and some are terrestrial. Some are terrestrial, living on land. Aquatic means living in water. When we are saying terrestrial, that means living in land, on land. The animals show or exhibit. What are the basis of classification of phylum Mollusca? Yes, organ system level of organization, tube within tube body plan, bilateral symmetry. Animals exhibit the organ system level of organization, organ system level of organization, tube within a tube plan, tube within a tube body plan, they show bilateral symmetry. So, bilateral exhibit means show bilateral symmetry, a few with asymmetric. A few are asymmetric, means no symmetry. A few are asymmetric due to the presence of torsion. Due to presence of torsion. What is torsion? The twist at one end. Twist is there. Twist at one end. Think about the snail. How it is? One end is twisted. Due to twisted structure at one end, this is called torsion, twist, twisted. Snail. The body is divided into head, mental, the foot and visceral organ. What is the body wall? The animals are triploblastic. They are triploblastic. 3 germ layers are present. Triploblastic, eucoelomate, The coelom is the schizocoelom. Coelom is schizocoelom. Coelom is schizocoelic coelom. Animals are protostomes. Okay, they are triploblastic eucoelomates. Schizo means that eucoelomate you can write down here schizocoelomates. Schizocoelomates. Then and the protostomes. Protostomes means the mouth is formed first, that is protostomes. So what I told, these animals, they are triploblastic eucoelomate, that means schizocoelomates, okay, and the protostomes. Instead of writing a full sentence, you can use a single word. And they show bilateral symmetry. If you are asymmetric because of presence of the torsion, organ system level of organization, tube within a tube, body plan. The body is divided into head, mantle, foot. Body is divided into muscular foot, and visceral organ. What do you mean by visceral organ? Visceral organ means internal organ. Visceral means internal organ. The visceral organ, or it is commonly known as visceral mass. Visceral organs or visceral mass. The body is covered by a transparent membrane, that is only called mantle. The visceral mass, body, the visceral mass is covered by, visceral mass is covered by a transparent membrane. Transparent membrane called mantle. The mantle is transparent and membrane like, okay, and the mantle, and it secretes, mantle secretes mantle gives rise, secretes a calcareous skeleton. A calcareous means made up of calcium carbonate, calcareous cell, which make the skeleton, which makes the skeleton. That means the calcareous skeleton is secreted by the mantle, which remains like a membrane always you are using a Odia term for that, jhilli. That membrane like structure, transparent, light can pass through, transparent membrane called mantle which secretes the calcareous cell. Calcareous cell, that means the cell made up of calcium carbonate. Cell, a outer covering. Okay, SHELL, cell. This is made up of calcium carbonate. The skeleton may be internal or external. This cell, the skeleton, cell is the skeleton, may be external or internal. Internal skeleton, mostly external skeleton, but if you consider the internal skeleton, sepia and squid, the animals like sepia and squid consists of internal skeleton. The digestive system is completed and the extracellular digestion takes place. Locomotion takes place by the muscular foot. Means the cell is called skeleton. The cell may be external or internal. Sepia and squid are having the internal skeleton, or you can say skeleton or cell. Whereas the octopus is completely lacking. Octopus is completely lack cell. Locomotion takes place by the muscular foot. Locomotion takes place by muscular foot. Digestive system is completed. The tract is completed. With the mouth and anus. Digestion is external. The buccal cavity or the mouth cavity. The mouth leads to mouth cavity. So, mouth cavity also known as buccal cavity. The mouth cavity, mouth or buccal, also known as buccal cavity. Consists of a tongue-like structure called radula. A tongue-like or we can say tongue-shaped file-like, means which helps in cutting. Tongue-like structure called radula. For rasping. What is radula? A tongue-like or ribbon-like, chitinous ribbon-like structure. Chitinous ribbon-like structure with chitinous teeth. Chitin, from chitin, chitinous, with chitinous teeth. For rasping, rasping means grating and cutting. You can say grating and scraping. Radula is a chitinous structure with teeth, chitin teeth. For rasping, rasping means grating and scraping. Grating and scraping. While suppose when we take a layer from the surface, suppose from here, taking a layer from the surface, that is scraping. Okay, grating. When doing this scraping, okay, taking out the layer, a sound is produced, that is grating and scraping, that is called rasping. Means that the ribbon like or tongue like chitinous structure with the teeth. Teeth means chitinous teeth like structure that helps in taking the layers from the food particles which is obtained, which are acquired by the animal. So simply we can say radula helps in cutting the food particles. Respiration. Respiration is done by gills or lungs. By gills and lungs. Means gills in aquatic organisms, aquatic mollusks. Aquatic. Lungs in terrestrial mollusks. So the gills are the feather-like. Gills are feather-like. In aquatic organisms like the respiration is done by gills in aquatic mollusks like the sepia, loligo, octopus. The lungs or pulmonary sac. We respire through lungs, so our respiration is pulmonary respiration. Similarly, where it is the respiratory organ is lungs, then pulmonary is its adjective term is used. Pulmonary related to lungs. Okay, the pulmonary sacs, lungs or pulmonary sacs are used in the terrestrial mollusks like Phyla globosa or snail. Commonly known as snail. The circulatory system is mostly the open type. mostly open type with a heart, dorsal heart, or hearts, more one or two hearts, heart or hearts. A few vessels, a few blood vessels, and lacunae means spaces. The blood lacunae. Here in mollusks, the blood is blue or green in color. Due to presence of hemocyanin pigment. Hemocyanin. As I told, mostly open type. The circulatory system is mostly open type, and closed type found in closed circulatory system, closed type found in cephalopoda, class cephalopoda. The excretory system consists of paired nephridia, nephridia, similar to vertebrate kidney. Here the nephridia are metanephridia, paired metanephridia. The metanephridia means more developed. Nephridia. And nephridia means similar to vertebrate kidney. The excretory substance is maybe ammonia. It is ammonia in aquatic, uric acid in terrestrial animals. Is it clear? In terrestrial, the uric acid, they excrete uric acid. In aquatic means in water, the aquatic organisms, the excretory substance is ammonia. The nervous system. The excretory organs are commonly known as organ of Boujanus. The nervous system consists of the paired ganglia, nerve cords and the connectives. The paired ganglia, suppose here, and even the connectives, and having even the nerve ring, having also the nerve ring, circumenteric ring surrounding the digestive tract, surrounding the alimentary canal. Sense organ consists of eyes, the tentacle, statocyst, osphradium. Statocyst, they are the epidermal, that balancing organs, and osphradium, they are present at the base of the gills. Near the respiratory organ, the osphradium present. Osphradium generally they smell the olfactory organ. Olfactory organ, that means they are smell sensitive. Smell sensitive. They smell the chemical nature of the water. They identify the chemical nature of the water, whether the silt is present or the food particles they can recognize. See here the sepia cuttlefish. Okay, this is the main body, the mantle or visceral hump, and the parapodium or lateral fin helps in swimming. The head, eyes, oral arms, tentacles, and at the distal end of the tentacle, the suckers are present. Eyes are the photosensitive, the photoreceptors. Like the vertebrate, tentacles to hold, to capture. See, the suckers are present. Statocyst balancing. Okay. Reproduction is sexual. Sexes are separate. Mostly separate, that is mostly dioecious. Some are hermaphrodite. So, fertilization is external or internal. When sexes are separate and hermaphrodite, so fertilization is external or internal. Development is mainly through larval forms. The common larval form is trochophore larva, mainly through larval forms. Common larval form is trochophore larva. the veliger larva in Pila and Glochidium in Unio. Glochidium larva in Unio. Okay, the common form is Trochophore larva veliger in the phyla, Glochidium in Unio. The classification is done on the basis of the cell, the skeleton, and the foot, muscular foot, type of the muscular foot. The phylum Mollusca is divided into 6 classes. Development may be direct or indirect. Direct or indirect. When it is indirect, it is through free larval form. The common larval form is Trochophore larva. Trochophore larva. Even the veliger Glochidium, the veliger is seen in veliger larva in Pila. Glochidium is in Unio. Okay. The phylum Mollusca is divided into 6 classes on the basis of the muscular foot and the cell. The Monoplacophora, Neopilina, the Polyplacophora, Amphineura, Chytopleura, the Chiton, the Scaphopoda, Dentalium, Gastropoda, the Pila, Doris, Aplysia, Turbinella, Planorbis, and Limnia. Apple snail, Pila is commonly known as apple snail, sea lemon, Doris. Aplysia, sea hare. What we are using as sunk, that is Turbinella. Planorbis are land snail. Okay, Limnia also land snail. Pelicipoda or bivalvia. These are Unio, Teredo, Pinctada. Pinctada, the Paul oyster. Pinctada is the Paul oyster. The Cephalopoda. Under this, the octopus, sepia, loligo are coming. See the different animals of the mollusca. In this session, we discuss the general characteristic features of the phylum Mollusca. These animals are mostly aquatic and few are terrestrial. These animals show the organ system level of organization, tube within a tube plan, and these are the eucoelomates, triploblastic, bilaterally symmetric, but the phyla are asymmetric because of presence of torsion at one end. The circulatory system mostly open type, but in Cephalopoda the circulatory system is closed type. The respiration is done by gills or lungs. Excretion by metanephridia. The digestive system is complete. Buccal cavity having a file-like, the chitinous ribbon-like structure with the toothed ribbon-like structure. That is called radula for rasping. Okay, and nervous system is present consisting of the nerve cord, the ganglionated nerve cord, connectives, nerve ring. Sexes are separate or hermaphrodite. Development is direct or indirect with trochophore larva or veliger in pila and glochidium in unia. So, write down a detailed note on mollusca, even a short note with important points, 5 to 6 sentences with important points for the phylum Mollusca for 2.5 marks and practice for 1 mark. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.